Hey man, we about to go ahead and unbox an early pair of kicks. And this one right here, I don't think it's going to be like any other of the GRs I released this year. It's going to be a lot of hype. It's going to be a lot of people that have been anticipating this one for a while, all 2023. So please don't think these going to be some sitters, because I highly doubt that, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys already know we back with the content. Gotta, you know what I'm saying, unbox a couple of things, you feel me? We gotta unbox one thing, show you guys, get y'all opinions, y'all thoughts, and see what y'all think the release date is gonna be like. Because I think it's gonna be crazy. I think it's gonna be a hot release where a lot of people is actually trying to cop this sneaker, regardless of the fact that there's gonna be probably a million plus pairs of this sneaker made, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way. It helps this channel grow. And that like button is free, bro. We ain't ask for no donos. We ain't ask for none of that. Just the like button. Drop a couple comments down below. It all helps the channel grow, man. And today is the last day to use that 35% off discount code using the vintage over on OutRank Brand. I got this, you know what I'm saying, Wheat 13 collab tee right here. Thought it went perfect with it. But if there's a bunch of stuff on their website, not just, you know what I'm saying, the Wheat 13. They got all my Air stuff. They got Air Jordan 4 Olive stuff. They got a bunch of stuff on the site right now. You can get everything for 35% off. I just want you guys to miss out on it. Use that code TheVintage. Save you some money. Click that link down below and go check them out, man. All right, man. So here we have them, bro. Here we got them, bro. Straight from Nike. And this was a super unexpected cop just because I didn't think that I had the access that I had. Like, I didn't even know I had access until people was like, man, just go check your account. You might got it. And I end up hitting on them. So without further ado, bro, let's go ahead and get into it. I don't know. I hate these boxes, bro. It's so hard to get into these things. I end up cutting my hand and all type of stuff. So we have to do this the old style way, bro. Let's break it open and getting into the box, bro. Let's get into these things, man. You guys can go ahead and comment down below what you have been copping lately. I know there's a couple releases that's been coming out that people probably ain't been worried about because they are prioritizing this thing. I'm about to show y'all, man. So let's go ahead and pull it out, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. You guys see, man. Y'all see what we got, bro. You see that gold jump, man, up top. You should know exactly what it is, especially given the fact that this is an early pair. And I said, you know, so got that gold hit. Got that gold hit, man. The official color reads Air Jordan 11 Retro White Metallic Gold and Black. You guys see it, bro. Y'all see what we got in today in the size 8.5. I got a quick story about that real quick. Let's go ahead and get into them and check them out, bro. You guys already know how they coming, man. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. There we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man. So I got these things in the size 8.5 only because, bro, I did not know I had the access, the exclusive access that came out earlier last week. But like I said, I went on my account and I seen that I did have it. I said, bro, how did I get EA? First of all, nobody even told me on Nike's end. And two, I just hit on a shop drop. So I was like, I don't know what's going on, but I'll take it, bro. I'll definitely take it. I did happen to be on 2 separate accounts. So I got Shock Drop Pair, and then I hit on the EA on another account, which I'll take, bro. I'll take it, man. I did want to double up, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fit this 8.5, bro. I had an 8.5 in the Gym Rat 11s, had to sell those because they were too small. But we're going to see what these do. Like I said, I got 2 pairs now. And this one mainly is because I did want to give a couple of pairs away. You guys know we are giving a free pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes away this year for all the support you guys have been showing. I think this is the perfect sneaker to give away, given the fact that what the sneaker stands for. Gratitude. Thanks to you guys for always supporting the channel and all that good stuff. And it's just a clean Air Jordan 11, man. That's the reason why I really think that he's going to sell out super quick. It's going to be a lot of people doubling up, tripling up because of the whole, you know what I'm saying, no DMP drop. A lot of people took L's on the Concours some years back, and this is the closest thing to it, bro. The Gratitude 11s is the closest thing to both the sneakers. It's not a DMP. I know a lot of people still saying DMP. That's because they do look super similar, but it's a totally different sneaker. Almost like a spinoff of the Gamma 11s, how they gave us the cap and gown joints. These are like that kind of similarities when you're thinking about DMPs and these gratitudes that we do have in today, man. But you guys can go ahead and comment down below if you did hit on that exclusive access that happened last week. The shipping took a little minute. I almost forgot I did hit on that exclusive access, and now we're finally getting them here. And then what is it, the 27th, bro? It's the 27th, just now getting them in. And yeah, man, these things are clean, bro. It's not too much to say about them. Like I said earlier this year, wasn't a huge fan of them. I think that's only because I wanted the DMPs, bro. I want that gold hang tag. I wanted the whole 9 as far as the DMP pack, and I did not get it, bro. So I was disappointed. I know there was a couple people in the comment section saying they were disappointed as well. But after you sit back and actually look at these things, bro, when you sit back and look at these things, these joints right here cold, bro. These things are cold, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. A nice gold jump, man. Nice gold 2-3 on the back. And then the patent leather and that upper all leather, bro, is actually hitting. I know a lot of people wanted the mesh for it to be the Jordan 11, but I'm telling y'all, this upper with this leather, bro, nice quality, nice good detail. These joints is clean, bro. They not gonna sit, bro. It's gonna be a lot of people trying to double up on this pair. I'm telling y'all. Let me go ahead and pull out the other Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. I got these in a size 9. You guys have seen these a couple times on the channel, and I did want to unbox these joints. Now, show y'all what we got, man. So we got that size 9 right here, and I think on a release date, I'm gonna go for a personal size 9.5 because I got it 9. It was a little too snug, and I've been telling y'all recently I'm gonna go up a half size on all my releases. And I wish I did go up a half a size on the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. So we got 8.5, we got a 9. So we're gonna see what this, you know what I'm saying, size 9.5 is hitting for. Hopefully it is perfect, bro. So double up as of right now. I think this is definitely gonna be one of the pairs that we do give away on the channel. But I know I gotta double up too, bro. Me, myself, bro, I'm doubling up. That's why I'm kinda trying to help you guys out, bro. Don't sleep. Put y'all leg work in, put y'all footwork in, because we got less than, what, 2 weeks? We got less than 2 weeks before these bad boys drop, man. So do what you gotta do. Snag you a pair, put your raffle tickets in, all that good jazz. So you are good to go on the drop of the Gratitude Air Jordan 11s, bro. These things are spectacular, bro. Immaculate. This is a clean, crispy pair, man. Telling y'all, please don't sleep. You be coming on the release recap video saying I'm about to take an L because I didn't do X, Y, and Z to give myself a good chance to get a pair of these Gratitude things.